Welcome back to craft testing. Don't forget to like this video, and if you're new to my channel then don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get all new updates. So let us begin our today's video. It is Volcano. So first of any size you have to take a bottle, and below that you have to apply Fevicol and stick it in the cardboard any size you want. But I saw that if you have applied Fevicol also, you need to secure it from the four sides with the help of sellotape. So guys, this craft has been done by my father and my sister, so credit goes to them. Now you have to make some balls like you could see here only, guys. So you have to stick these balls around the bottle, it means in the cardboard. Okay, like you have to give like a volcano type shape, and after you did that you have to cover it with some sheets of newspaper only. Okay, so don't forget to like this video, share with your friends and your families, subscribe to my channel, also press the bell icon, and also comment me your challenges, that is what you want me to make next, and if you have any questions about this video or suggestions. Okay, so guys, first we were using Fevi gum to stick the balls. I think you saw it little bit ago only, it's in this video only. And after that, guys, we started using Fevicol because we saw that it was not sticking so good with Fevigum. But you can try, guys, if yours is sticking well with Fevigum, you can do like that only, or you can use Fevicol only. So now we are continuing with that only, so let us continue. And after 1000 subscribers, guys, I will be doing a festival video by 31st October 2022. And guys, here could have covered it with my sisters covered it with the paper also. Now guys, we have to make the mixture of a plaster of Paris. So we took the powder of the plaster of Paris, and in that we took water also. Now we are mixing, and now guys, my sister is like spreading it, okay, with that thing only in which we mix the plaster of Paris. And after it, guys, now she has to spread it in all the parts. So she took like a spoon type something. It's not really a spoon, it is something else, guys. So with that, guys, she is covering all the places. So let us continue. But guys, the bottle portion, means the mouth of the bottle, it you have to keep open if you want to like do erupting lava should come out. If you want to do like that, then you have to keep it open only. So I will tell you if you want to do like that. I will not do that, but if you want to do like that, I will tell you what you have to do for that. And guys, after 1 lakh subscribers, I will do Q&A part 2 with festivals. If you haven't seen my Q&A part 1, no problem, you can check it out. The link is in the description box. First, we have applied the full papers with white plaster of Paris. So guys, we have to let it dry for 1 day. So we have kept in the sunshine. Okay, guys. Okay, so now we have to color. So after 1 day we are coloring, guys. So first my sister took brown color and little bit of orange color, guys. Now okay, so my this portion, little portion, I don't think I'm able to understand, no, not now which she is coloring this. Yes, this it is a little bit of broken, but we will manage it with the colors only. Okay, guys, so in this total colors you will need brown, black, then dark brown, means dark brown and light brown. Have to, that's not light brown, dark brown and brown only, you have to mix it. Okay, so now she's doing with black, guys. So these three colors I told you: orange, black, sorry, four colors: orange, black, brown and dark brown. You need yellow also, and red you will need in the lava, not now, guys. Okay, so let us continue, guys. So now she has used some of these colors, so a little bit of part is done. And also, guys, we will need light green color, then dark green color, or you can use sub green color. So let us see what we need to do. And after 1 million subscribers, guys, I will be doing a video on the topic how I edit my videos. And guys, I've created some playlists, so if you haven't seen them, no problem, you can check them out after this video. guys, our coloring is done. So if you want to keep it like this, you can keep it like this only, guys. Then it will be ready for you. But if you want to make lava, then guys, you have to pour some warm water in from the mouth of the bottle, then add some color, that is red, orange and yellow, then add dishwashing liquid to it, then pour vinegar in the water, then finally guys you have to add baking powder, then your volcano will be erupting. So guys, thanks for watching, thanks for help and support. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. Have you seen these videos? No? Then go and check them out.